What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kerr Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're actually out here at one of our favorite reservoirs, and we're going to be showing you guys exactly how we fish for trout here in Utah. Today we're going to be showing you the mountain trout rig, which is a rig that we actually came up with after my dad has been fishing all of his life. This is kind of the best rig we found to fish for trout all around in Utah, and we've just knocked him dead with it. So today we're going to be sharing that with you, and we hope you enjoy. So first off, we're going to go over all of the different parts to our setup, what brands we use, things like that, and just each separate element of our setup and what makes it so great. Alright, well I figure we'd just start from the top and work our way down. So the very first thing is we have one of these clear plastic bobbers. Now a lot of the bobbers that are red and white and things like that, that you're not intended to fill water with, I'm sure you could use those, but that's not the way we do it. The way we do it is we get these clear plastic bobbers, and we get these because our intent is to fill them up with water. We fill these all the way full, and as you guys can see right here, the plastic bobber has a little plug in it. So it has a little plug running right through the middle. It has a skinnier end and a thicker end. You just push that skinnier end like that, and you just submerge it underwater, and the whole thing will fill up, and you close her up, and you're good to go. So next, moving down the line, as I mentioned, we've got our clear plastic bobber right here, and then next we use a size 10 swivel. So this swivel attaches right up here. It keeps our bobber in place so that it doesn't sink, or that it doesn't float all the way down the line. It just keeps that sucker stationary. But yeah, we use a size 10 swivel. You attach it up here. It's pretty self-explanatory how to tie that on. And then you can also switch this out. So if you were to fish with a lure or something like that, you could switch out your leader and fish with the lure instead. But yep, so we use a size 10 swivel just under our clear plastic bobber. Alright, so next up we have our leader. This is 8-pound test monofilament line, and we do about 3 to 4 feet of leader. The leader just gives it a good distance from your swivel and your bubble, just making sure that there's nothing suspicious going on or anything like that. The fish doesn't suspect anything. We like doing 3 to 4 feet because we just feel that gives us a good amount to keep everything away from the bubble. A lot of people will do less, but we stick with 3 to 4 feet, and we've tried it and tested it, and it's held up great for us. Alright, so finally our last step is the hook. This setup works great with two types of hooks, whether you're fishing with worms or fishing with power bait. Those are typically what we use to fish in this setup. Now for power bait, we use a size 18 treble hook. You can just pick these up at any sporting goods store. We actually pick these up at Walmart. And if you're going the worm route, so you're fishing with worms, we use a size 6 worm hook, and that seems to be great with us. One thing we found over all the years of using this setup and tweaking it is we found that the smaller the hook, the better. A lot of people think like bigger bait, bigger fish, but we found you're going to have a lot more success if you can use a smaller hook. That just seems a lot more appealing to the fish. It doesn't seem like something giant, and they tend to just suck it up. Now they might not be the biggest fish, but you're going to get a lot more action if you use a smaller hook. So like I said, for treble hooks, we use size 18, and worm hooks, size 6. So lastly, for our bait, we use power bait. We like to buy the chartreuse stuff. Anything with like glitter in it, that bright green color, we found the most success with this type of power bait. You can use other things like rainbow or yellow or things like that, but like I said, the green stuff has always worked best for us. And like I said, if you're going the worm route, we just pick these up at Walmart as well. So just any of those stereotypical worms, you're going to be good to go. Let's see it.
Yeah, there's been fish like jumping in front of me. It's kind of small, but like, yeah, my pole wasn't really moving. I just thought it was like time to reel it in because it's been like 20 minutes. And yeah, I got a fish. So
nice.
that's pretty awesome, yeah.
Using the mountain trout rig. That's the rig we use. There you go. Good job, Ariana.
It's pretty awesome.
That's awesome.
It's a rainbow trout. It's got a nice pink stripe down the middle.
Sweet.
I don't know if you can see through all the blood though.
Oh, reel him in.
Crikey.
Keep going. Keep him going. Keep reeling it. Caught up on James' line, but that's okay. All right, keep him up. Keep reeling him in. Okay. Now we're gonna right over the tip.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Keep him away from the water. Be careful. Check for the hook. That's a nice big.
It's wrapping around.
Nice.
Tiger trout.
That's the one I want to catch.
It is.
Well,
Today.
Connor, caught one. Connor, caught one. I got one.
What do you say?
He's gonna be so jealous.
I can't believe this is the second fish of the day, and it's super floppy, and it's a tiger fish.
Nice. That's a huge one.
Ah!
Say, hey, Rocky Mountain rig.
Flap it. Flap it. Yeah.
That's a great one, Logan. That is huge.
It's giant.
Yeah.
I want to see if my other one got one.
Good job.
Poke.
Hey, don't do that. All right. Hey, say.
Subscribe to Trout Outdoors.
There you go. Nicely done.
It's slimy.
All right, guys, well, that ends out the video. We showed you guys exactly how to catch trout at any mountain lake here in Utah. Works at any reservoir or anything like that. So we've had tons of success with that setup. So there was just a little short video for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed and hope you guys learned something. So.
Awesome. And we want to hear how this goes for you guys. Make sure you post in the comments below any questions that you guys have. Also how this goes for you guys. Make sure you guys also like and subscribe. And also hit that notification so you can see what other video that we're going to show you. Also check out this video up here that is also about fishing. That's awesome that you guys should go check out. Alright,
Yeah,
thanks so much for watching.
there you go. Okay, see you guys next week.
See ya.